So I'm going to do an oil change on the Avalanche. Step number one, I'm going to remove the oil cap. Just set that aside. So I'm underneath the truck. I'm going to remove the plug, which is a 15 millimeter socket. I'm also going to replace this oil filter. This is the new filter. So this motor takes 6 quarts of oil. With the messy part done, we can go into the easy part. Just put my funnel in there and I'm going to pour the oil in. And this actually takes 6 quarts and I use 5 quart bottles. I want to show you what I do to make sure I measure out exactly 6 quarts. So I stated before that the truck takes 6 quarts of oil, but I like to buy the oil in the 5 quart jugs because it's a little cheaper. So how do you measure out that 6 quart? What I do is I keep an empty quart from a previous oil job. And what I'll do is take this empty bottle and I'll fill it up from one of my 5 quart jugs, which will give me my 6th quart. So with the quart full, I can now put the last quart in the truck, put the cap back on, and this oil job is done. So here's another tip. I just drained the oil and it's in this container. So this is another one of the reasons I like to buy 5 quart in a jug. So you don't want to just pour this out into the ground. You want to find the proper way to dispose of it. And you're not going to carry it around in a container like this. So I simply take the old oil and pour it in the empty container from the fresh oil that we just put in. So I'll show you that. So the last tip I want to give is, after you change the oil, if you spill a little, it's best to do this while the oil is still wet. What I like to do is take some engine degreaser, spray it onto the oil, and when you look at it tomorrow, it'll be gone.